my foot! Ow! What the?
Alright, now to put this away. What? If you were wondering what the pinching was all about, I was just putting copyright chips in your feet to make sure nobody steals you.
So you injected that thing in our feet without our permission?
If I asked you if I could stick this thing in your feet, you would have said no.
Well, duh, that thing hurts!
You guys are such babies. This doesn't hurt, and I'll prove it to you. I'll do it to myself.
See? It doesn't hurt at all!
Alright, I'm sorry. Ow! They lied to me. They said this thing was pain-free. I paid $345 for this thing.
You got swindled.
Whatever. Ow, 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 ow.